To take macro photos on Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus, what you can do is you can use a little trick that involves zooming in. So unfortunately, there is no dedicated button or option that allows you to easily take macro photos. So instead, you can keep the distance between the subject and the camera, a little bit of a distance, and then we can zoom in. So we can do something like this, for example. Let me actually move it a little bit over here. And now we can try to capture a pretty decent macro photography like that. You don't want to keep the camera too close to the subject because you will just simply lose the focus, which is something that we don't want to do. But if you keep a little bit of a distance, then you should still be able to capture a pretty good photo, and you can try to use the zoom quite a bit. Of course, the more zoom you use, the worse the quality of the photo will be, so you always want to be careful and use as little of the zoom as possible. So yeah, this is how it looks like. So we can, for example, capture this photo over here, and as you can see, the quality is not really too shabby. It's pretty decent, I would say. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.